Creating high-converting lead magnets can feel overwhelming, but imagine doing it in just minutes. Thanks to cutting-edge AI, this is now possible. Lead creation doesn't have to be a daunting task anymore. With these powerful tools, you can generate compelling content quickly and efficiently. This means more time spent on engaging with your audience and less time stressing over and what to offer them. List building becomes much simpler when you have the right lead magnet. A strong lead magnet attracts potential customers like a magnet. It's your way of saying, I understand your needs, and with AI technology, creating personalized content has never been easier. You no longer need to spend hours crafting the perfect message. The magic of AI helps create content that speaks directly to your audience's heart. Imagine the joy of watching your email list grow every day. Imagine knowing that you are connecting with people who genuinely care about what you offer. Content creation used to be a challenge, but now it's a thrilling journey filled with endless possibilities. With AI, you hold the power to transform your business and touch lives in ways you only dreamed of before. Embrace this new era and watch as your efforts turn into tangible results faster than ever before. Click on the link below to see how it's done.